Welcome to this instructional video on resolving token creation restrictions in the movement by ship process. Movement by ship token creation restricted due to missing coastal contractor. In this video, we will demonstrate how to resolve the issue where token creation is restricted during the outward flow of movement by ship because the coastal contractor has not been added or approved. In the standard outward execution process of movement by ship, token creation occurs after indent registration. When the coastal contractor is not configured, the system prevents token creation by disabling the submit button. This video will guide you step by step on how to add and approve the coastal contractor so that token creation can proceed successfully. The user logs in as gate in charge and navigates to movement by ship create token outward. User selects the ship movement number and enters the truck number. When attempting to select the coastal contractor, the drop-down displays no values and the submit button remains disabled. The system prevents token creation until all mandatory configurations are available. This occurs because the coastal contract has not yet been created or approved in contractor management. To resolve this, the coastal contract must be created ND then approved. The user logs in as regional office staff and navigates to contractor management create coastal contract. The contract details are entered. Enter the district, the contractor name, and the tender number in the respective fields. Select the start date and end date for the contract validity period. Enter the route plan details. Ensure that the source type and destination type are selected correctly, along with all other required information. Review the details entered and submitted. A confirmation message appears indicating that the coastal contract has been created successfully. At this point, the contract exists but is still pending approval and therefore cannot be used for token creation. The user logs in as GM region and navigates to contractor management coastal contract pending list. The newly created contract is reviewed and approved. A message confirms that the coastal contract has been approved successfully. After approval, the contract becomes active and available for selection in movement by ship processes. The user returns to movement by and click on ship create token outward. The ship movement number and truck number are selected again. The coastal contractor drop-down now displays available values and the submit button becomes enabled. The request is submitted and the system displays token generated successfully. Conclusion: token creation in the outward flow of movement by ship requires an approved coastal contract. If the contractor drop-down shows no entries or the submit button remains disabled, verify in contractor management that the coastal contract is created And approved. Once active, token creation proceeds successfully. Thank you.